Germany at night. Ay, sarado na. Hindi pa. Tao pa. But I have beer already. So, let's go upstairs. Yep.
You can try. So, bit-bit ka kasi tayo nakakahiya.
Huh?
Bit-bit ka kasi yung bote.
Cafe Pistache. So at least alam natin yung tsura sa gabi. 11 o'clock. Madilim na.
So, Netherlands yun.
Dito parang nasa Makati.
Yeah.
Buhay. Buhay. Netherlands kasi parang baryo. Diba baryo guys?
Baryo na parang hindi baryo.
Diba guys? Parang baryo. Alright, that's it for today. Wala lang. Oh, binili din nila yan dyan eh.